Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to unlock your Ally account. I know that this can be a frustrating experience, especially if you're trying to access your money. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps you need to take to unlock your Ally account. I'll also provide some tips and tricks to make the process as easy as possible. So, let's get started. Have you ever been locked out of your Ally account? It's a frustrating experience, especially if you need to access your money. But don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your Ally account in just a few simple steps. Ally is a popular online bank that offers a variety of financial products, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and investment accounts. If you're an Ally customer, you may need to unlock your account for a number of reasons. For example, you may have forgotten your password, or you may have tried to log in from a new device. Step 1. Go to the Ally website. The first step is to go to the Ally website. You can do this by typing Ally into your web browser or by clicking on the link below. Ally website. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button. Once you're on the Ally website, click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page. Ally login page. Step 3. Enter your username and password. Enter your Ally username and password into the appropriate fields. If you don't remember your username or password, you can click on the Forgot Your Username or Password link. Ally username and password fields. Step 4. Click on the Sign In button. Once you've entered your username and password, click on the Sign In button. If your login credentials are correct, you'll be taken to your Ally account dashboard. Step 5. If you're locked out of your account, click on the Forgot Your Password link. If you're locked out of your account, you'll need to click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will take you to a page where you can reset your password. Ally Forgot Your Password page. Step 6. Enter your email address. Ally email address field. Step 7. Click on the Submit button. Once you've entered your email address, click on the Submit button. Ally will send you an email with a link to reset your password. Step 8. Click on the link in the email from Ally. Once you receive the email from Ally, click on the link to reset your password. This will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Ally Reset Password page. Step 9. Create a new password. Ally New Password field. Step 10. Confirm your new password. Ally Confirm New Password field. Step 11. Click on the Submit button. Once you've confirmed your new password, click on the Submit button. Ally will update your password and you will be able to log into your account. Tips and tricks. Make sure that you use a strong password that is difficult to guess. Change your password regularly. Use a password manager to help you keep track of your passwords. Be careful not to share your password with anyone. If you think your account has been compromised, contact Ally immediately. I hope this video has helped you unlock your Ally account. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I'll see you next time.